Welcome back to the channel. It is your host Rob with I-25 Kia. We have another new vehicle here at the dealership that I want to introduce you to. It's the 2020 Soul. So I'm going to do a little bit of a compare and a contrast between the two ones I got here. So we've got the GT line in the Inferno red, and then we've got the X line in the Neptune blue. Right out the gate, you're definitely going to notice some differences with the exterior. Mostly it's going to be in the front elements in this grille. But you also have the roof racks on the top of the X line. Nice Thule roof racks. So X line, GT line, let's start with our comparisons. They both have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 147 horsepower. They both also have the same transmission. They also both have the exact same unique fog lights. They both have the same type of seating, which is this woven knit fabric. And they both sit the same amount of people. And they both have the exact same 7-inch touchscreen infotainment center. Both also come included with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. One minor detail that the GT line has over the X line is right above the vanity mirror, you have a little light. So yeah, you can see there's lots of similar features in both Souls. So what's different? On the exterior on the X line, like I already said with that roof rack, you also have these unique 18-inch alloy wheels. Versus, they both look really cool in my opinion. But then the rest of what's different about these two vehicles, the GT line provides you more options for features such as optional sunroof, optional wireless charging station, optional smart key, and like this Neptune blue X line, you can get the dual colors on the roof and the body for this guy too. So now how do they perform? Well, let's hop in. But I have two cars and there's only one of me. Nicole? Yeah? Can you drive one of these cars for me?
I'd love to. My name's Nicole. Do marketing and graphic design and stuff. And I drive a Soul. That's 2017 Soul. So far so good. I'm going to drive around and tell you what I notice is different. There's a lot of new updates in this one. Anyone will notice that like the interior has been completely rethought out. The center console is different. The speakers are different. They used to have like the little round tweeters up on the dash. Those have changed quite a bit. The seating, the fabric is different. I really like the new detailing on the doors. I can't wait to see one of the Souls that has like the mood lighting. It's not very many 2020 Souls out and about. When I was driving this from the dealership, there was a guy on a motorcycle and he like did a super double take. Makes me feel a little bit envious because there are a few things that I don't have in my 2017 Soul, like the standard backup camera that's in all vehicles after 2019. This one does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is really cool. Bluetooth is awesome. I think it has the ability to do like dual Bluetooth connections, so like if you and your passenger want to DJ, there's genuinely nothing I don't like about this car. I wonder if Rob's liking the GT Soul as much as I'm liking this X line.
What was that, Nicole? Oh yeah, they treat me very well. There are many things I like about Kia's Soul. The bigger fog lights, the better grille. But as far as this GT goes, I really like the get up and go. Its handling's very nice. It seems fairly rigid. You do get 2 drive modes. For me personally, one thing about the Soul that really sticks out is the clearance. I'm 6 foot tall and look at how much space I have between my head and the roof. When you look at the Soul from the outside, you expect it to be very small on the inside. It doesn't feel like that at all. If anything, this feels like I'm sitting in an SUV. Woo! Sorry about the sound of the wind. It's really cold out here. I hope I got you a little bit more familiar about Kia's 2020 Soul. Now I covered a lot, but I definitely did not cover it all. If you have any further questions about the Soul, go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia. And if you would like to test this puppy out for yourself, take advantage of I-25 Kia's 24-hour home test drive. We'll deliver it to you anywhere in Colorado. When you're done with it, we'll pick it up. If you want to buy it, we can make that happen too. Once again, thanks for all your support. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe and check back soon. Have a good day. Bye.